Here's how to add a file to Google Drive on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically add a file, whatever that file may be, over onto your Google Drive on the iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so all we need to do first is to go ahead and make sure that we have the Google Drive applications downloaded on our device. In this case, I already have it right here. And if you don't have it, just go ahead and quickly download it from the App Store and proceed with launching the application. You also need to go ahead and log into your preferred Gmail accounts. In this case, I've already logged on to mine. Now, if we want to go ahead and upload a file or add a file to the Google Drive application, all we need to do is tap on this plus icon right here and tap on Upload. This is going to show you, of course, the option to add photos and videos if you choose to add photos and videos, or when you tap on Browse, it'll redirect you to your files application. And from here, you could also choose a specific file to go ahead and upload via Google Drive. And then as you see, of course, it's just that easy. And now proceed with uploading the file to your Google Drive. And as you see, I do not have enough storage, but if we choose another application or another account which has enough storage, it's going to allow me to proceed with uploading the said file to, of course, my Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to choose another file. And as you see, it's now uploading, and you can now go ahead and view this file onto other applications, since, of course, this is going to be a drive, and it's going to be accessible anywhere as long as you have internet. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.